Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are learning page number 60 of Usmani Mus'haf, and we are starting from ayah number 80 of Surah Al-Imran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ولا يأمركم أن تتخذوا الملائكة والنبيين أربابا. Wow, for wow, circle your lips. And the sound for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. La is 2 counts long. Okay. And this is 2 counts long. Just let me write it for you. Yeah, for yeah, very soft letter. You are lifting this middle part of your tongue towards your palate, but you're not actually touching it and rubbing it. That's why the sound of ya is very soft attached with hamza. Hamza is very sharp letter. The sound should be cut off right away. Yeah, for dhamma, circle your lips. And the sound is very short. Ra, ra is heavy, and the sound is short. Kum, for dhamma, circle your lips. Attached with mim, mim will get the wasat. So this is ikhfa. You're keeping the sound in your nose surely, and you are going towards the makhraj of ta. So and the ta is light, so the ikhfa will be light. The tongue should be in a very straight position. Ta 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 is sharp. The other ta is sharp, very nicely attached. Ta ta ta. The sound is very short. Khi, ho is heavy. For kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Dul, this is not anymore long because this dal is attached with lam, and now we'll get the wasat. So this mud letter has dropped because we are attaching it with the coming up letter. Dul, the wasat, ma short. La, 4 counts long. E, hamza, very sharp. Very, for kasra give e sound. E, ka, ka. No hums whatsoever. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound of ka is what? Sorry. So the sound of ka is very clear. Ka, ta, short. One for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with noon. Noon will get spa of gunna, and that is akmal gunna. So why shouldn't we write it here? Okay. Gunna akmal. Gunna akmal. So you are keeping the sound in your nose very nicely. When for fatha, the sound is short. Na. Then ba, for kasra, give e sound. But whenever you are attaching it with ya, the sound will get jump, and that is called nabar. So B, this is not W, this is N, sorry. N. It stands for nabar, okay? B, ye, 2 counts long, na, short. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with ra, the sharp sound will be attached with ra, and ra will get the wasut. Aw. And ra will be heavy. Why? Because there is fatha before it. Aw, ba, 2 counts long. And when you're stopping, that will be mad iwad, so it will be 2 counts long. Ba, aw, ba. For hamza, give very sharp sound from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Yeah. For yeah, very sharp, soft. Sound for fatha, open your jaws, attach with hamza. As soon as you will touch with hamza, the sound will cut off there and then. Yeah, for move. The sound is very short. For dhamma, circle your lips. Ru, ra is heavy. The sound is for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is short. Mu, ru, kum. This is ikhfa shafawi. Kum, you're keeping the sound in your nose very nicely. Kum, bil. For kasra, give e sound. Attach with lam. Lam will get tawassut. Bil kuf. For dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with fa. Fa will get a very nice long hums. Kuf, kuf. Eri. For kasra, give e sound. Ba. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with the ain. Ain will be from your throat. Ba. Da is short. E. For kasra, give e sound. Attached with dal. Dal will get sifa for a hawa. The sound should flow very nicely. E. For fatha, open your jaws. And the sound is very sharp and short and attached with noon, but there is ikhfad. So you are keeping the sound in your nose, hiding the sound of noon, going towards the makhraj of ta. Antum, for dhamma, circle your lips. And this is idgham. So you, with the akmal gunna. Mus, for dhamma, circle your lips, attach with seen. Seen will get sifa of rakhawa, and there should be safir, and the sound should be light. Mus. This native sound should be there. Musli, for kasra, give e sound. Moon, 4 counts long, while you are keeping your lips very circled and giving tawassut on noon. For wow, circle your lips, attach for fatha, open your jaws. Eid, for kasra, give e sound, attach with dal. Dal will get rakhawa. The sound of dal should flow very nicely and very long. Wa id, very sharp sound for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Kha is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws, but don't circle your lips to make kha heavy. Whenever we want to make any letter heavy, what we do, we lift our tongue up. Kha, dal is light, but as soon as you will touch Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, that will be heavy. The lo, 2 counts long. Hu, for the circle your lips. The sound is short. Me, 2 counts long. Ta, 2 counts long. Qan, qaf is heavy. When you will attach with noon, it will get sifa of gunna. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer time because this is akmal gunna. Qan. And for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Na. B. Ba. For kasra, give e sound on ba. As soon as you will attach with ya, it will get nabar. And the nabar is jump of sound. B. Ye. After nabar, the sound will be long and you will make it 2 counts long. Na, short. La, short. Ma, 4 counts long. 2 counts long. The sound of hamza should be sharp, but the sound of alif should be long. There is a lot of difference between hamza and alif, so be careful. Tay, ta is very sharp letter. Attached with ya, there is lean, so you are making it 2 counts long. Tay, two is short. Kum, for the circle your lips. Attached with meme will get some gunna because this is idgham. Li, okay. Kum, min, this is ikhfa. Keep the sound in your nose and go towards the makhraj of kaf. Minki, kaf is sharp, and for kasra, give e sound. Kitab, for kasra, give e sound first and then attach with wow, and this is idgham with gunna. Wow is short. For fatha, open your jaws. For kasra, give E sound attached with kaf. Kaf will get hams. Yes, hams. And hams is a flow of breaths. Hik, hik. Ma is short. Ting, ikhfa. And light ikhfa. So keep your tongue straight. Ting, tum. For the circle your lips attached with mim. Mim will get sifa of gunna, and that gunna is akmal. So the sound of gunna should be longer. Tum, fatha is short. Ma, ja, ja, 4 counts long. Ah, hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws. Kum, for the circle your lips attached with mim. We will get sifa of tawassut. Ra, short. Su, 2 counts long. Lum, for the circle lips attached with mim. This is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Lum, for the sound is very short. The circle and circle your lips. Mu, swad, for swad, make it heavy. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with dal. The sound of dal should be very sharp. Swad, swad. D for kasra, give E sound. Ul. This is idgham without gunna. So you're not keeping the sound in your nose. Ul, li for kasra, give E sound. Ma, 2 counts long. Ma, short. A from your throat. Kum, tawassut on mim. Ma, kum, la, short. 2 for dhamma, circle your lips, attach with hamza. Hamza will get tawassut, and hamza will get shidda. The sound should cut off right away. To me for kasra, give E sound. Nun for dhamma, circle your lips, attach with nun. Nun will get sifa of gunna very nicely. Akmal gunna. Nun for fatha, the sound is short. Na. B for kasra, give E sound. He, 2 counts long. Wa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. La, short. Ta, short. So wala tang ikhfa with a nice gunna in your nose. Wala tang, and this ikhfa is heavy. Why? Because the heavy letter is coming up, and this is sod. Wala tang su. Sod will be heavy. For dhamma, circle your lips. Gun for ra will be heavy because there is dhamma on it. Gunna akmal. And how will you stop? You will attach noon with